Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall read a story, a seventh class English story. The name of the story is Camel. Could understand?
Yes.
The name of the story is
Camel.
Camel. Camel means what? Camel means auto. Yes. Let's move to the next page. Yes. This is lesson 3, the camel. Socialization. Look at the picture. What do you see? This is a picture of an animal. What is it? It is a camel. It is a camel. So, have you seen it before? Have you seen it before? No?
No.
Next, where do they live? They live in a desert. Desert means ମରୁଭୂମି. ସେମାନେ ମରୁଭୂମିରେ ବାସ କରନ୍ତି. How do they live in the desert? We will know it after going through the topic. Let us read the following text to know more about camels. এই ଓଟ ମାନଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଆଉ ଅଧିକା ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ let us read the text. Yes, the text begins like this. Here is the text. Read the following passage silently and answer the questions that follow. An animal which lives ଜଣେ ଗୋଟେ ପଶୁ ଯିଏକି which lives in the desert. This is ମରୁଭୂମି. ଗୋଟେ ପଶୁ ଯିଏକି ମରୁଭୂମିରେ ବାସ କରେ is the camel. ତାକୁ camel କୁହାଯାଏ, ଓଟ. So what is a camel? Camel is an animal. Where does it live? It lives in the desert. Desert means what in Odia? Marubhumi. Right. So we came to know that camels live in a desert. Could you understand? People kept camels. Kept. This is a verb. Keep kept. Irregular verb. Keep means kept ରଖିଲେ. Keep ରଖିବା, kept ରଖୁଥିଲେ. People kept. Who kept? People kept. ଲୋକମାନେ ରଖୁଥିଲେ camels as pets. Many as pets. Many thousands of years ago. ହଜାର ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବେ ଲୋକମାନେ କେମେଲକୁ ପୋଷ୍ୟ ପଶୁ ରୂପେ ପାଳନ କରୁଥିଲେ. Could you understand? Who kept? People kept. Whom? The camel as what? As a pet or a pet. Camels usually live in small groups of up to 30 animals. ପାଖାପାଖି 30 ଜଣିଆ ଦଳରେ ସେମାନେ ବସବାସ କରନ୍ତି. Could you understand? Camels usually live in small groups. ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଛୋଟ ଦଳରେ ବସବାସ କରନ୍ତି of up to 30 animals. Camels have a ଲମ୍ବା ସେଗି ଲୋମପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ winter cloth ଶୀତ ଲୁଗା to keep them warm. ନିଜକୁ ଗରମ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ, ଉଷୁମ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଶୀତ ଲୁଗା ବ୍ୟବହାର କରନ୍ତି. ଲୋମପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଶୀତ ଲୁଗା ବ୍ୟବହାର କରନ୍ତି. ଶୀତ winter ସେଗି coat and shorter ଛୋଟ tedious ସଫା coat in summer to keep them cool. Could you understand? ଓଟମାନେ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ 30 ଜଣିଆ ଛୋଟ ଦଳରେ ବାସ କରନ୍ତି. This is camels usually live in small groups of up to 30 animals. एगेन ओटमानक पाखरे शीत दिन में गरम रहिबा पई लंबा और घंच लोम अच्छी लोमयुक्त पोशाक एंड गरम दिन में ठंडा रहिबा पई छोट छोट सफा लोम मध्य अच्छी राइट नेक्स्ट ए 30 camel कैन ड्रिंक मीन्स पीवा इट्स ए verb so a 30 camel can drink can modal verb shall should will would can could may might must need dare ought to use to can modal verb so ए 30 camel can drink गोटे तुषार्थ शोषिला ओटो पी पारिबो एज मैच एज 30 gallons of water 30 गैलन वाटर पी पारिबो दैट मीन्स 500 फुल ग्लासेस ऑफ वाटर 30 gallons मीन्स 500 ग्लास पानी पी पारिबो एट ए टाइम हु द कैमल कैन ड्रिंक ए 30 camel कैन ड्रिंक that is about 500 full glasses in just 10 minutes 10 मिनट भीतर within 10 minutes the camel can drink the a 30 तुषार्थ सुशीला 30 camel can drink how many full glasses of water 500 full glasses of water could understand next there are two different types of camels दुई प्रजातिर ओटो देखा मिले हाउ मेनी टू टाइप्स वन नोन एज दी ड्रोमेडरी गोटे हूँ ड्रोमेडरी हैज ओनली सिंगल हम्प जार कि गोटे मात्र कुज थाए ड्रोमेडरी मीन्स वन हम्प्ड कैमल दी अदर इज कॉल्ड Bactrian camel. Bactrian means two humped. Bactrian camel and has two humps. There are some camels. There are some camels which have just one hump, and there are other camels which has two humps. Kuja. Yeah. तमें संडा देखिछ हैव यू एवर सीन सन ये बुल माने षंड इट हैज ए हम्प ऑन हिज बैग ता पिठी पर कुजटी नाही बड़ अच्छी सान अच्छी सो कैमल्स आर हैव टू टाइप्स वन इज ड्रोमेडरी अनदर इज बैक्ट्रियन ड्रोमेडरी मीन्स वन हम्प्ड एंड बैक्ट्रियन आर टू हम्प्ड दी हम्प्स help animals to survive in the desert of acting as a storage containers ए जो कुज गुड़ाक ता पिठे अच्छी टेल राइट कुज जो सी बसुची हुआई कहीं से कुजटा भंडार पात्र बा भंडार गृह रूपे तार काम कर फूड कलेक्ट कर द फूड ही वुड कलेक्ट will be stored the wood he collects will be stored in that hump से संगृहित होकर राइट सो ताको से फूड कंटेनर और स्टोरेज कंटेनर भली काम करछि राइट सो लेट्स हैव ए comprehension questions yes where do camels live camels live in the desert right camels live in the desert next question is are there camels wild animals no camels are domestic animals camels are not wild animals because they are kept as a pet next one is question number 3 how do camels live single or in groups camels live in groups right next what helps them keep warm to the question number 4 camels long and saggy winter coat helps them keep warm Next, what keeps their body cool in summer? Camels shorter and tedier course keep their bodies cool during summer. Right? Next, how much water does a camel drink in 10 minutes? A thirsty camel can drink 30 gallons, that is 500 full glasses of water in 10 minutes. Next, question number 7. How many types of camels are there? There are two types of camels. Next, what are they? They are dromedary, one-humped, and Bactrian, two-humped camels. Dromedary camels are having with just one hump, and Bactrian camels are having two humps. Next, humps means kujo, you know. What helps the camels to live in the desert? The humps of the camels helps the humps of the camels help them to live in the desert, because the humps act as storage containers. Right? Now let's move to the next page. Let's see what is there. 1 minute. Yes, here is this one. Let's see what is there. Let's see what is there. So your teacher will read out all the words under 3 listening activity. One another. Listen and repeat after him, her. Practice by leave it. Vocabulary. Vocabulary means Shabda Bhandara. So match the words given in A with their meaning in B. In one is done for you. So this is matching. Right? Container. Container means what? Container means something you can put things into. For example, a box, a bottle, a tub. So container means here is something. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Continue one of the something. Yes. Just 1 minute. Container. Right? Something? You understand? Next, desert already given. Domesticate. Domesticate means what? A large area. Domesticate means make a wild animal used to live with or working for men. So domesticate. Yes, this one is right. Next, hump. Hump means what? The round hump on the back of lump. The round lump on the back of camel. The round. Yes, this one. Hump means this one. Right? And saggy. Saggy means what? Long, thick and untidy hair. Saggy. Long, this one. Yes. And another is survive, continue to live or exist. This one. Next one is thirsty. Thirsty one that needs or wants to drink water. Here. Thirsty. Right? And the wild, place far away from main natural environment. Yes, this one. Okay. Thank you. It's done. What did I say? It's done. Now let's move to the next page. Let's see what is there. Yes. A camel lives in the desert, right? So the above sentence tells about the camel and the place where it lives. କୋଉଠାରେ ବାସ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ କହିଲା. So mark the similar sentences for the following living beings. Choose the living places of these living beings from the box. Next, and these are the living places, ବାସସ୍ଥାନ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ, the name of living places. Nest is a living place, stable is a living place, forest is a living place, kennel is a living place, ବାସସ୍ଥାନ. Hole is a living place, water is a living place, cow shed is a living place, hive is a living place, burrow is a living place, house is a living place, den is a living place, cave is a living place. So a horse lives in this stable. This is the stable, or the living place of horse is called stable. Next, a cow. A cow lives in the cow shed. Where is the cow shed? Here is the cow shed, right? Next, an elephant. An elephant lives in the forest. Yes, forest. A fish lives in the water, right? A bird lives in the nest. Yes, this is the nest. Just 1 minute. A squirrel lives in where? Can you say? A squirrel lives in a burrow. This is a burrow. This is a burrow, right? Then a bee lives in a hive. Maupana. Next, a mouse lives in the hole. Yes. Mouse. Next, a man lives in the house. In the house. A bear lives in the what? A bear lives in the what? Cave. Yes, this is the cave. Next, a lion, a dog lives in a kennel, right? A lion lives in the den. Where is the den? Yes, this is the den. So we came to know a horse lives in the stable, a cow lives in the cow shed, an elephant lives in the forest, a fish lives in the water, a bird lives in the nest, a squirrel lives in the burrow, a bee lives in the hive, a mouse lives in the hole, a man lives in the house, a bear lives in the cave, a dog lives in the kennel, a lion lives in the den. And now, and that is the end of today's lesson. We shall have the other part in our next class. Till then, bye. What did I say? Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.